A hug is a smile with arms, a laugh with a stronger grip. Laughing together is as close as you can get to a hug without touching. A hug makes you feel good all day. However long a hug lasts, it does not last long enough. Hug the shore, let others try the deep. If I see my fans crying, I just want to give them a hug and tell them I love them. A hug is a great gift. One size fits all and it's easy to exchange. There is nothing like a mama hug. I wanted my home to be a heaven, like coming in from the cold to a big warm hug. I love hugging people. I still hug everybody in my meet and greet lines. I cry at random things like a flower, or someone giving me a present, or my sister giving me a nice hug. Where I live, if someone gives you a hug, it's from the heart. He was one of those guys who would pronounce I am a hugger as they came at you, neglecting to ask if the feeling was mutual. Oh, I love hugging. I wish I was an octopus so I could hug 10 people at a time. Everybody needs a hug. It changes your metabolism.